Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to use the magnifier or configure it for you. So to do this operation, go to the search here, write the settings, click on it, and then from the left side we have accessibility. So click on it, and there is an option magnifier. So let's go there, and as you see, the magnifier is being enabled when you press the Windows logo plus sign to turn on the magnifier and press Windows logo plus escape to turn it off. So when you turn it on, as you see, the magnifier is already there. So to zoom in, press the Windows logo plus the sign of the minus, a sign to turn on the magnifier. Yep. So the plus, and as you see, we have to choose this Windows button and plus or minus to use it. Yes, so for now, Windows and plus to magnifier, and for minus to go here. And it be magnifier when you put the mouse in here. Yeah, you see that? And there is a much more option about it, and there is a zoom increment, so the 100% is default. So to view full screen is Ctrl Alt and F. And that's it about the zoom in. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!